Hello and thank you for your interest in the Economy Folding Knee Walker by Drive to Vilbus Healthcare. In order to ensure you understand how to safely use your new folding knee walker, watch this short video designed to help you get to know the basic features of the knee walker. These include using the handbrake, making height and knee pad adjustments, and folding when not in use. First up, using and adjusting the handbrake. Do not use the knee walker if the brake system is not working properly. The knee walker's brake is similar to that of a bicycle and also has a locking feature. To use the brake, simply pull the lever with your fingertips toward the handlebar. To lock the brake, pull the brake level towards the handlebar and push down the spring-loaded push button. When done correctly, the push button will remain down and the brake lever will be locked into place. To release the brake, simply pull the lever towards the handlebar. The push pin will pop up automatically back into place. For minor adjustments to the brake, use the brake adjuster located on the handbrake that can be turned out from the handbrake counterclockwise to tighten the brake or clockwise to loosen the brake. Keep the cable adjuster nut against the handbrake. If further adjustment is required, apply the same method of adjustment at the lower cable adjuster. As you adjust the cable adjuster and the adjuster nut away from each other, the brakes will tighten, and as you adjust them closer, the brakes will loosen. To adjust the handle height, loosen the adjustment screw on the handle by turning it counterclockwise until it can be removed. Adjust the hand grip to the desired height and reinstall the adjustment screw by turning it clockwise until it is tightened. To adjust the knee pad height, simply loosen the locking lever under the pad and then remove the locking pin. Adjust the pad to the desired height and then reinstall the locking pin and secure it in place with the locking lever. Tighten the locking lever to lock the pad into place. When the time comes to store away your knee walker, the folding feature will require less space to do so. To fold the knee walker, pull down the guide pin ring and turn the handlebars counterclockwise. Disengage the center frame hinge, folding the frame so the back wheels meet the front wheels. Release the tiller lock lever to fold the tiller down. You're now ready to safely use your knee walker. For additional cautions and maintenance tips, refer to the Folding Knee Walker Manual. Thank you for choosing Drive to Vilbus Healthcare and have a great day.